Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be removing and installing brand new tub drains. So if you want to check out these awesome products that I'm using to get this job done, just check out the links that I provide down in the description below. So again, we're going to be changing out 2 tub drains. I'm going to show you one of them right now. This one is pretty bad. I use this little cover here to kind of mask what's really underneath here, which is this nasty drain right here. You can see it's falling apart, and basically I don't have the cross members that go left and right to be able to use the other tool to remove it. So I'm gonna have to use the other one where it wedges into the hole to extract it out. All right, so here are all the tools we're gonna use to get this job done today. So I'm mainly using this one because remember I told you the cross members on that drain aren't there. If those cross members were there, we could actually use this tool to install and uninstall any kind of tub drain. So this one right here will actually take a 1/2 inch ratchet. You just push it right in there just like that, and you're ready to go. This one will actually take a 1/2 inch ratchet or a 3/8 inch. And the hammer we're gonna be using for this, because you actually wanna take this tool, shove it into the drain, and you're gonna tap it in there, and then you're gonna use your 1/2 inch ratchet to unscrew it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna try to remove this thing with this extractor tool. This is what it looks like. Sits right down inside here, just like that. And we're gonna use the hammer and give it a good tap. Next, we're gonna use our 1/2 inch ratchet, and we're gonna stick it in there. Press down firmly, and you're gonna twist it until it unscrews. I'm just gonna unscrew it by hand because it's almost there. All right. So as you can see, this thing is nasty. All right, it's now time to remove this second one. So this is a good example of one that's so bad that even the top part of the ring right there that's so corroded broke off, and I was still able to get it off. This tool is definitely awesome. It gets the job done, even with this tough job. All right, this one's all done. I installed this guest bathroom drain in a matter of minutes, really quick. In my opinion, it's really easy to install these versus removing them. So as you can see here, this one's really nice and it's not corroded anymore like you saw before. This is a different style one. So basically this one works by picking it up and twisting it to drop it down. And whenever you want to let it flow out for the water to go into the drain, you're just gonna lift it up and give it a little twist, and the water flows into here. I'll show you how it works really quick. Like you're taking a shower, obviously you want to have this thing lifted up so that the water drains into there. And whenever you're taking a bath, you'll just twist it and then let it drop down so it creates a seal. And now you're ready to take a bath. In my master bath, I'll show you a different style where it's a toe pusher where you just tap on it to disengage the seal. But I'll show you what that looks like in the other bathroom real quick. All right, I'm in my master bathroom, and this is the other one that I installed, and this is actually a different style. I really like this style here. It's actually a toe pusher. So you press this down and it creates a seal, and then you press it down again and it actually releases the seal so that water will flow down into the drain. But with all these different styles, you will have to have access to this cross member here set up, so you can stick that drain wrench that I showed you, that little key tool, into this hole here, so you can turn it clockwise to tighten this thing down. And you can either use plumber's putty or some plumber's tape to to create a really good seal around the threads. Then you're just gonna turn this clockwise to lock it in place. And again, to get this thing to work, you just leave it the way it is if you're just taking a shower. So I'll turn the water on real quick so you can see how the water just drains down. Water drains right down there into the drain. And whenever you want to take a bath, you just use your toe, push this down, it engages the seal, and now you can take a bath. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.